Welcome to the Dokmee Capture overview video. The first step is to log into the software. Once you have logged in, you will see our dashboard. As you can see, it is very easy to use and the interface is very intuitive. The first step is creating a batch profile. There is no limit to how many batches you can create. Each batch is unique in their own way, meaning batches have a specific profile ID. Create a batch profile name and then click Create. A pop-up window should appear. This is where you will create your index fields, zone recognition templates, export process and much more. The next step is to create your index fields. This is the information you would like to extract off the document. Our OCR tools will turn the information into metadata, which in turn will help with the search and retrieval process of your documents. Now, we are going to set up our zone recognition templates. You can either import or scan a page template in. For the purpose of this video we have sped this process up. The next step would be setting up the zone recognition with zone types. The purpose of setting up these zones is because this is the information or metadata that you would like extracted from your documents. These zone types allow for automated data capture. Our tools allow you to OCR, MICR, OMR, and ICR documents, along with 1D and 2D barcode recognition and QR code and data matrix recognition. We also have Smart Zone OCR and database lookup and matching tools. Now we are going to create a batch. Choose the batch profile you just created, then give it a name and a unique batch number. We are now going to scan or import the documents we want to extract data from. Scan from most Twain and ISIS driver scanners. Integration with ScanTime image enhancement software that attach to scanner Twain and ISIS drivers. We also have tools such as automatic blank page removal at ScanTime. Hot folder monitoring for MFP and network scanners using active import. Automatic document separation using patch code, barcode, text OCR, specific number of images. Now we are going to start the indexing process. This is fully automated and it allows you to QC the information to double check and or make any changes. To the right you will see the index fields you created earlier. You should also see the information and or metadata that was extracted off the document from the zone recognition templates. Things happen and sometimes the font or scan job of the document is unreadable and there is a missing index field. You can either manually enter the information or we have a tool called Quick OCR. After indexing the documents, the next step is quality control. This allows you to double, triple check your work and ensures the data that is being extracted is correct. Inside our QC module we have a find and replace tool. This allows you to find index values quickly, but it also saves time if you need to make changes. For example, you can change the company name from X to Apples instantly and without re-indexing. Our last step is the export process. This is where you decide how and where you would like your metadata stored. Our export process is fully customizable and you can save templates to make this process smoother. Dokmee Capture is unique because we allow the option of a dual export. As you can see, you can export directly to a network path or you can directly upload to the Dokmee ECM and DMS product lines along with SharePoint. You can decide if you want the documents to be exported with or without foldering. You also can decide if you want to keep the numeric file name or use the index fields as the file name. If you use the index fields, this helps make the retrieval process seamless. Dokmee has two powerful OCR engines, ABBYY and Iris. Both are available in multiple languages. There are multiple ways you can save image types inside of Dokmee Capture. We allow TIFF, PDF, JPEG, GIF and so much more. Another tool that sets Dokmee apart is its compression tool. Cut file size down in seconds to save space on your repository. Dokmee has custom export scripts built in. This allows you to store your data in repositories outside the Dokmee ECM and DMS product line. You have the option to save this template for any future needs. After you have saved the template, click Export. A pop-up screen will appear once the batch is done exporting. Now follow your network path and you will have access to your fully indexed documents. The last module we are going to talk about is the reporting tool. This allows you to understand your ROI and productivity. The built-in reporting tool allows administrators to track and audit productivity and profitability automatically versus an alternative manual logging process, input costs and revenue so that profitability reports are automatically generated. Reports can be generated for specific periods of time per batch profile, module, batch, or user. You can save reports in multiple formats such as Word, Excel, PDF, and SAP Crystal reports. Let's take a minute to review. Dokmee Capture has two licensing options available, Standalone and Network Edition. Works with Microsoft SQL Express and Standard. Scan from Twain and ISIS driver scanners. Post-scanning cleanup options such as despeckle, crop and hole punch removal. Automated data capture through OCR, ICR, OMR, MICR, 1D and 2D barcode. Export to a Windows file system or any document management or online system with a customized export script. And lastly, create comprehensive productivity reports per batch profile, module, batch, or user. Thank you for watching. Contact us if you have any questions.